What is the best oil to use for vegetarian or vegan? That is the question that I got asked this week. Now, before I answer you, I need to note, why do you want to use the oil? For what? Is it for stir fry? Is it for roasting? Is it for the salad? Is it just for the flavoring? Or are you making something, you want to blend it? Here's my answer to that. I use extra virgin olive oil frequently, and it's a very versatile one that I can use whether in the stir fry, the roasting, or the blending, or even in the salad dressing. That is very versatile. Now, if I am doing occasionally, maybe once a year, doing some deep frying, I would use rice bran oil. And if I'm making desserts, to add more flavor, I will use coconut oil. If I am making a really beautiful salad that needs something to enhance the flavor, I will use avocado oil, walnut oil, or flaxseed oil, something that's really going to bring out the beautiful flavor. And sesame oil is also very good for the noodle dish or blending. Okay, another one is, remember I've made some vegan mayo. The vegan mayonnaise is based on the soy milk and some oil, the fat. What I used was the plain flavor one, because you don't want to overpowering the final results. So you can use anything that has no flavor at all, like some vegetable oil or just plain oil. And if I want to make something really flavorsome, I will use those strong flavor plant oil. So I hope that helped you. And also remember, any kind of oil is fat. And sometimes you don't even need to use oil in the cooking. Like if you have a really good quality fry pan or saucepan, you can do it without oil at all. So that's it for this week. I hope that helped you to decide what oil that you want to use, depending on what you want to do. Until next time, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.